This is early inspection intervention agent. So the inspection failures in the manufacturing often appear too late during the final inspection when the rework and the delays are already unavoidable. So this agent will improve the inspection pass rate by identifying the execution risk early and recommending the actions during the production. So let us test the agent. Here I ask the agent to show the production signals with the drift and the deviations. So here the agent highlights the production lines where the parameter drift and the minor deviation count are increasing. So even though some are still uh, below the below the rejection threshold, the risk is building. So this will allow the early intervention before the inspection failure. Here I am asking the agent to show the high risk pattern requiring action and why. So here the agent isolates the high risk execution patterns. So here the drift, then the deviation count, operator variance, and the equipment's uh, instability are all at high stage. So it recommends the pausing production and the preventing uh, and preventive checks before the defect reach the inspection. So why this action, why these require action? Because all these entries show the high drift, repeated deviation, high operator variance, and the declining equipment stability. So this compounded failure pattern likely to cause the inspection rejection without the immediate intervention. So the result is higher first pass inspection success, reduced rework, and more stable production run. So this will demonstrate how the outcomes improve when the execution gaps are addressed early, not after the results are already fixed.